YouTube channel Creative Givansh. Today I'm gonna building a ship which carries a container. So all you need is a container and some magnetile. So first we are gonna lay out the base. Like that. That's the base. Then we're gonna take two base plates and two of these, and then we're gonna place the base plate like this and place a piece like this and place another one like this. And place the piece like this. So now that's done. Then you're gonna cover this whole thing up. And you're gonna extend the right side of the ship more. Then you're going to just cover it up first. Now, inside you're going to add some support. So we're going to use these pieces for the base plates. Now that's done. Now you have to do this one and start building the wall again. That's also done. Then we're gonna place a wall right over here and add one of these pieces right over here. And that's done just like that. Then you're gonna cover the sides. Done. Then you're gonna put one more this triangle piece like that, and then you're gonna take a base plate and cover it. Then you're gonna take some more base plates and cover the rest of it like that. Then you're going to add some support to the right side also, to the left side also, and the right side. Just like that. And then you're going to add some more support right here on those both sides and cover it up. Then you're going to check it's okay, and if it's not okay, you're going to add some more support. And then you're going to cover this side. Then you want to place two more pieces of this right here and place this like that. And the ship's base is done. Now all we have to do is build a tower that is going to go right here. So we're gonna add some more support, guys. And remove the wall from this side. And then we're gonna make a 2 floor tower for like the ship cartoon and all. Then we're gonna like cover it up with 4 of these pieces, and that's done. Now you're gonna take your container and put it right over here. Then you're gonna make a magnetile wall on both of the sides that is surrounding the container, on the left side and the right side. They both must be equal. And now I'm going to cover the left side. I'm going to take some more pieces. And it's done. So guys, that's how we build a ship using Magna-Tiles. And thank you for watching. See you next time.